Managing multiple devices during online classes can be a hassle, but the Logitech K380 Bluetooth keyboard makes it easier to stay organized and efficient. The K380 is a compact, lightweight keyboard that connects to up to 3 devices at once. It works across Windows, Mac OS, Android, iOS, iPad OS, and Chrome OS, making it a versatile tool for busy online teachers. It offers smooth device switching at the touch of a button, a comfortable and quiet typing experience, long battery life of up to 2 years, and a portable design that's ideal for teaching from home or on the go. There are a few things to consider. The keyboard does not have backlit keys, and the compact layout may feel tight for those used to full-size keyboards. However, the K380 is a great choice for online ESL tutors who use multiple devices during lessons. It helps streamline workflow and keeps the teaching space clean and minimal. Check the description for the latest price and more details.